welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कंपोजिट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में या टर्नकी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में. सी कंपोजिट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या कंपोजिट टेंडर क्या होता है? एज द डेफिनेशन itself, composite means all activities of the work. For example, it is a construction of say industrial building. So civil work, electrical work, mechanical work, air conditioning work, instrumentation work, some fabrication work, everything whatever is required, everything is included in one contract. Now for the formation of this contract, lot of work is required because all engineering drawings by all discipline people, civil, electrical, mechanical, everything has to be worked out in detail in the beginning itself. See, then only you will be able to work out the cost. Then you can invite the tenders. So before inviting the tenders, lot of work is there involved. But during execution, again, it becomes slightly easy. But again, there is a disadvantage. Same thing, if there is a variation, particular type of item you have made in the provision and that is not available, or during a subsequent stage, suppose during the industrial building, the particular user wants to make some changes. Changes are not possible in this type of contract, or otherwise it may alter the position of the contract, and then so many things are coming, delay will be there, he may ask for more time and all these things. So one has to be sure, I will not be asking for any changes. Whatever I have worked out, I am very totally convinced. During execution, I am not going to change any conceptual thing or any shape or anything. So then this type of things are okay. Then we come to the turnkey contract. Slight difference is there. Turnkey contract means again same thing. See, I want to say, for example, construct a sewage treatment plant. For example, I am a civil engineer, but sewage treatment plant involves mechanical work, electrical work, everything. Mechanical work involvement is more. See, so many pumps will be there for dewatering and for purification. Then there will be other equipments, instrumentation things will be required. I may not be an expert of those type of things. So what I do, I go to the market, I take market inquiry with the expert, those who are making the sewage treatment plant or effluent treatment plant or whatever, any type of structure. Then I get the quotation from those people. Based on that, I am with the market inquiry, I prepare my documents and then I invite tenders. In that, one additional thing what we can do, see, after construction of the project, we have to maintain it also, operation and maintenance. So we should include that part. So advantage is that, suppose one sewage treatment plant I have made and I have included a 3 years operation maintenance price also in the same contract. That original contractor has to maintain it for say 3 years. So advantage what I am getting as a client, whatever pump and whatever electrical item instrumentation he is using, it has to run for a period of 3 years. And when a system is running for 3 years, it will run for 30 years also. So for the client it is advantageous, and I am not to worry about the detailing working out. And again same like the lump sum contract, we are giving this stage wise payment. In this also we can go for the similar stage wise payment. So this is all about the composite tender and turnkey contract. So friends, आज के वीडियो में दोस्तों इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.